Pixie Playhouse Official.
F for fish song.
Let's learn a letter, what will it be? A super fun one, just you and me. It's a friend to frogs and it's first in fun. Our letter adventure has just begun. F is for fish swimming in the sea. F is for fish, happy